When you're in one of your courses, you can choose the course settings. To do that, you'll hover over this gear shift and click the caret. Select Edit Settings. And then whenever you see a question mark like this, if you click on it, it will give you a little explanation of what they're looking for. Whenever you see the exclamation mark, it means this is a required field for you to be able to save it. For the course full name, short name, and category, we ask that you do not change these as they are important to external systems that we use. The course visibility is always going to be on show if the course is running. If for some reason that you're editing a course that maybe is not running for another semester, it may be hidden. The course start date is sure to be set for you, but if for some reason it is incorrect, please go ahead and change it. We don't typically use a description. Under course format, if you're a weekly format, you'll see it here. There's also a topics format that I've seen some teachers use. Here's where you can choose if you're going to hide sections, how they'll show. So you can have it in the collapse form, so they'll see that there are other sections, but not what's actually in them, or you can have it completely invisible. We ask that you keep all sections on one page so that all courses are similar. Under appearance, this just kind of talks about your announcement forum. So if you decide to use that, maybe you want to change these settings a little bit. We ask that your gradebook is always shown to students, and so is the activity reports. Under files and uploads, it's currently set to the max, which is 100 megabytes. For completion tracking, if you decide to use this, here's where you can enable it or not. Groups, if you decide to use a group, please contact us so we can help you out here. And you don't ever need to use role remaining or tags. When you're all done, you click Save and Display, and it brings you back to your course.